Hey guys, it's Dory. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's project, I'm going to walk you through making a cardstock Easter basket. I'll leave the link for this freebie in the descriptions below. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we need to do is open Cricut Design Space, and we're going to upload the image. I'll also leave in the descriptions the link for this freebie. And once we're in Cricut Design Space, we're going to hit Ungroup, and then we need to score this. So we're going to go ahead and select it and change the operation from cut to score, and then select both and then hit attach. And then if you want to change the colors, now's the time to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to go ahead and hit make it and load the cardstock, and we're going to select intricate cut. So let's get cutting. So these are the pieces that you should have. We have 2 of these and 2 of these, and we have 3 little strips, and this is the ribbon, and this is the bottom of the Easter basket. So what we're going to do is grab one of these and one of those, and you see how there's little grooves in there, and we're going to go ahead and just kind of weave it into it. So we're going to go ahead and you'll put the first one over, and then the second one is going to go under, and then you'll go back to over, and you'll just keep alternating and just kind of weave it in there all the way until it's at the very bottom. And then we're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. It's a little time consuming and not too long. I think maybe it took me like 4 or 5 minutes, not if that. Once you get to the very end, I just kind of double check my work and just make sure to pull everything down, and then just make sure everything is aligned, all that kind of stuff. And now that both of them are done, we're going to go ahead and fold this piece. We're going to fold it on the 4 score lines. Next, we're going to take 2 of the strips that are the same, and we're going to glue them to the bottom of the side of the Easter basket, and you'll just want to just use a little bit of glue and then place that down, and we're going to do that to both of those sides of the Easter basket. Next, we're going to kind of have to make our own little score lines. If you see here, I kind of lined it up right there, and I made just a little bit of a mark, and then I used a ruler and just gently folded it over. And make sure that you, when you apply the glue and you attach it, make sure that you put the nice side facing down, and we went ahead and did the exact same thing to the other side. And we're going to go ahead, fold it over, and then we're going to fold this down, apply the glue, kind of like if you do a purse, if you've ever done a purse, very similar to that. We're going to fold it over, and then it's going to do the exact same thing, but on the side you are going to overlap one of the sides over the other side. So we're going to go ahead and apply the glue and put one side up, and then we're going to go ahead and add some glue onto the other side and go ahead and overlap it and glue it. Next, you glue the handle onto the Easter basket. The last step is making the bow. So I used a popsicle stick just to kind of give it a little dimension, and put glue right in the middle and fold it down. Then you'll go ahead and glue it to the next piece. And then the little tail in the middle, the ribbon wraps around. So you'll just wrap that center around and then glue it down. And then you can go ahead and put the ribbon wherever you like on the Easter basket. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. Comment below, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.